Find a precast concrete garage cheap. In this age of modern technology, everything you need is just at the tip of your hands. Whereas before, people had to go through tough processes in accomplishing their work, today, almost everything comes instantly. Indeed, life has come of age. The construction industry, for one, has come up with revolutionary methods in producing prefabricated or precast concrete to cut construction at least in half. Now you do not even have to hire carpenters or builders to build your house. Just purchase precast building components and you can erect your own house. Many Americans are now into expanding their home facilities. And this is where precast concrete comes in handy. The garage is one part of the house that is commonly added to the main building. If you want to use precast concrete for your garage, here are tips on how to find it. Know the different types of precast products. Precast wood and precast concrete are the two general types. Then of course there are other kinds such as concrete panels, agricultural products like bunkers, watering trough, and feed trough, precast foundation, precast concrete walls, beams, and precast septic tank. Every component of a building can now be obtained in precast form. Measure your garage. In obtaining the figures for the measurement, include the floor area, height, ceiling to floor, width of the walls and door, beams, and posts. Since your garage is located outside the house, the materials to be used in the construction should all be concrete. The beams and posts are the most important parts of the garage, so that you should look for excellent precast materials. Contact an engineer or architect for estimate. Ask how much you will likely spend on the precast concrete for your garage. These people are in the construction business, so they know a lot about precast materials. You may ask for advice too, on where to find good quality precast products. Look for a precast construction company in area. Ask suggestions as to how you can find a good deal. Give them the measurements of your garage and ask if they can supply you with your needed materials. Visit sites of suppliers of precast concrete such as modcon.com, kistna.com, azom.com, highgradeprecast.com, and prestressedcasting.com. You can inquire at their customer service section by logging in and entering your inquiries. Ask around from people who had their garage refurbished using precast concrete. You may have a neighbor, a friend, or a relative who just had his garage constructed with the use of precast concrete. Find out how much he spent on the project and where he got the precast materials. Visit construction sites in your vicinity. Take a look at the precast concrete they are using. You may ask a favor from the engineer or construction supervisor to give you referral to their suppliers. Since a garage is just an extension of the house, its precast concrete components are sold at cheaper prices than those used for more delicate construction projects such as high-rise buildings and residential houses. Finding these materials is not really difficult. Nonetheless, make sure you know the basics about construction so you have a guide in choosing the right materials for your garage.